I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Self Levelling Concrete Screed. At the cutting edge of concrete technology is Self Levelling Concrete Screed. Whilst in my opinion there isn't such a thing as Self Levelling Concrete Screed, this product comes as close as you will get. The ease of placement is remarkable when you think of traditional concrete screed and the way it takes to place and lay. The product is self-compacting. This means no need to vibrate the concrete to ensure all air voids are removed. Self-levelling concrete screed can be poured directly from the truck mixer if access is suitable and the area is relatively small. However, expect to pump this material into place. This affords such ease of delivery and placement. The main reason this screed is a great fit for any building with a concrete floor is the fact that this product works for itself. It almost self-levels, it self-compacts, and to finish the surface of the screed is simplicity in itself. Taking a steel dapple bar, this is a rounded bar with two handles, simply place the bar in the concrete, push down to the substrate and bring back to the surface. This whole procedure is carried out over the whole of the surface. Then at 90 degrees to the first pass, a light bouncing on the concrete surface is carried out. This provides a smooth finish surface ready for floor coverings if specified. Bonded, unbonded and floating are all suitable construction types for self-levelling concrete screed. Some products to explore. If you are looking for self-levelling concrete screed in the market, a couple of options are Tarmac Topflow Horizontal. This horizontal self-levelling concrete screed has been expertly designed to offer a superb quality of finish while also being easy to apply. Benefits of Tarmac Topflow Horizontal include fast flowing, free flowing Topflow concrete can be placed fast. Easier placement. Placement is just not fast, it is easy. There's no vibration by eliminating vibration and greatly reducing noise pollution. The characteristics of this particular brand ensure that you'll get a self-compacting screed that is so easy to allay, eliminating the need to power float. The next product is Cemex Evolution self-compacting concrete. Cemex is another player in the technology concrete market, having developed their self-levelling concrete screed Evolution. Construction in today's market is all about quality and speed. The quicker a project is completed, with little to no snagging issues, the cost saving improves the contractor's profits. Typical benefits include Evolution is based on economical as well as easily placed. Reduction in labour costs for placing, levelling and finishing. Virtually self-levelling, helping to reduce the placing time. Enhanced workability and excellent early strength. No compaction is needed due to its self-compacting properties. Reduced noise and health and safety issues. Industry compliant, meets or exceeds the relevant British and European standards. Minimal finishing sets a smooth surface that requires minimal or no further finishing. I hope this helps with your self-levelling concrete screed questions. Do get in touch for more information.